Many tutors wonder how much writing practice they should ask their learner to do during their tutoring sessions and for home practice. They might struggle to find interesting writing activities that are immediately relevant and meaningful to their learners' lives and at their skill level. Some learners resist working on writing, preferring to focus on reading activities. Some say they don't need or want to write in their everyday lives. Others believe they have nothing to write about. Writing is useful for many reasons. Most people write every day for practical and commonplace purposes. We use writing in our family, work, and community lives, as well as for our own individual interests and needs. It can be helpful for tutors to introduce learners to activities that not only help them build their writing skills, but also make their lives easier. Experienced writers know that the best way to improve their writing is to write. In the case of writing, practice really does make perfect. Writing practice is especially effective when someone provides immediate feedback and guidance, as tutors are able to do in tutoring sessions. The best way for learners to improve their writing skills is to have the opportunity to practice writing and receive feedback on it in every tutoring session. In this video, you'll see a tutor and learner working on meaningful, real-life writing activities that relate directly to their learner's life and that they can use immediately. In Chapter 1, you'll see the tutor and learner discuss the purpose of writing down emergency contact information. In Chapter 2, you'll see the tutor model how to write each specific piece of information. In Chapter 3, you'll see the tutor guide the learner step by step through each phase of writing down the relevant information. You'll also see the tutor ask questions to refine the information. The tutor explicitly helps the learner make the connection between the writing activity and real-life application by discussing practical next steps the learner might take to ensure the usefulness of the writing.
Hello, Hitesh.
Good.
You're good? Good. I'm glad to hear that. We're going to talk about writing. You know how you think it is very important to write?
Yeah, but writing is no properly writing. Writing means no good. There are too many mistakes in spelling.
So we want to help you get over that. But writing, we will try writing every day a little bit because writing is important in your life and in everybody's life.
Agree with writing and speaking, both many important.
Okay, great. Okay, so we use writing for many reasons, and one very important reason that we need to write can be for emergency contacts.
First one is my wife is a contact. Sometimes is me sick. Sometimes accident.
Right.
Sometimes is always my pocket, wallet pocket is have phone number my wife.
Yes, you want it. You want the emergency information in your pocket, in your wallet, so that if there is an accident, people can find out how to find help for you. Okay, let me show you how I would do my emergency contact, okay? I would first write my name. And then I would write my phone number. My cell number is the best for people to find.
Yeah, cell phone number always is easy contact.
And I would write who to call in an emergency.
Is my wife.
Your wife or my
wife and my friend. Both.
I might say my son.
No,
I might.
Yeah,
Okay. And then I would put his number down. I would put down my son's phone number,
Okay.
right? And I would put down my address in case somebody has to go to my house to find me. Okay, so how about you do a practice, maybe on a piece of paper, you write a practice for your emergency contact. Okay, so when you do this, make sure that you write very clearly. You need to print it
Okay.
so that people can read it.
Okay.
It's very important that you use numbers that can be read clearly,
Okay.
and that you use your letters in print form.
Okay.
Okay? So why don't you go ahead and you write your emergency contact information.
Okay.
You can start with your name and your phone number so that if somebody finds you, they know who you are.
Ramila P. 892 Lara Avenue, California 95821.
Good. So that's your information. Now, who do they contact?
It's a Ramila. The phone number is a cell phone number.
That's a cell phone number.
Okay.
Okay, now who is Ramila? Is this your best friend,
This
your
friend-
wife,
this-
your
the-
friend?
Friend.
Okay, so
And,
maybe put friend over here so that if somebody picks this up, they go, oh, we should call Ramila. They don't think, oh, is this Ramila? Okay, so maybe put the word friend next to that. Okay, and you might put parentheses around it. Good, so that people can identify that. Okay, that's good. I think that works. Now, let's think about if you want to put this in your wallet.
Yeah, wallet.
Okay.
Always.
Maybe you need to put it on a card that will fit into your wallet.
No, it's a just my wallet. The baby paper. The ID, me ID, and the top one is my wife, and just the contact number, emergency contact number.
Oh, so you think you could tape this to
Yeah.
your ID
Yeah,
information?
yeah.
That's a great idea. Do you want to put it on something stronger than this paper, or do you want to just
No,
use
just
this
my
paper?
my ID here is a
Okay.
top one is the Xerox
Okay,
copy.
so you're going to use this.
Yeah.
Okay, then when you get home today, you can cut this out.
No, it's my home is your card.
Yeah.
Put it in the freeze.
Oh, so you're going to put it on the refrigerator
Yeah.
and
And
on your ID.
ID.
So you need two, right? Okay.
a home and my
yeah,
wallet.
So you need another one. Do you want this one in your wallet, or do
Yeah.
you want to put it on a card in your wallet?
No, this first one is a wallet.
Uh-huh.
Card is a home refrigerator.
Okay. So you can take a card home with you tonight, and you can copy it again, and then tape one onto your ID,
Okay.
and put one on your refrigerator. That's a very good idea. Hitesh, that is great. You did a good job there. Was this useful for you? Is this a good lesson for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think it is something you will use in the future?
The first one is writing and speaking. first important.
Yeah. So this is a very important practice for you.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is useful, something you can use really and truly in your wallet and on your refrigerator. Is there anything else you want to write, that you want to practice writing or learning to write?
I'm learning writing little bit daily, maybe half an hour writing.
Daily?
Yeah.
A little writing daily. Okay, we'll do another exercise next week, and maybe something that you could use on your job. Maybe you could make a list of the chores you do as a handyman for your boss to read, or to remind you of what you need to do.
Sometimes it's my job or call my boss. Sometimes it's no coming boss. Look, this room is too much messy. The wall is broken. All fix one is room number 22. Too much toilet leakage. All fixing one.
So then you can have a list of things you are doing for him that you have to fix.
List.
Okay, we'll work on that next week. Okay, thank you.
You've seen a tutor and learner working on a real-life writing activity that has an immediate and practical application. The tutor and learner discuss the importance of writing down emergency contact information and having it readily accessible. They identified the most important information to include. They each wrote down their emergency contact information and discussed how the learner might use the information outside of their tutoring session. They ended the lesson by discussing other everyday writing that would be helpful to the learner to work on in future sessions.